Honorable Dr. M.S. Sahu, Sri Sumit Malik ji, Nilufar Batija, Madam Haripada Padnaban, Madam Mamta Binani, and the star of this webinar, Akaant Mittal, the author of this book, whom only yesterday I had a brief interaction for 5-10 minutes in my chambers. I first thank Mr. Akaant Mittal and also the Eastern Book Company and Mr. Sumit Mittal who have given this opportunity to participate in the launch of this book on Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. This is a big book. Although a lot of books have been written by some of the authors, but basically which are available in the market on this subject, but basically that deals with the academic part. And this is the practitioner manual, the learned advocates or the researchers who are interested in this field will find very handy. And this void of not having a dedicated book for the practitioner in the IBC code, by writing this, Mr. Akaant Mittal had tried to fill the void. But as the subject is growing such a fast speed, we don't have a precedent jurisprudence. So it has to be revised at least on the annual basis. Why I'm saying is because in the morning I was just going through in the book. Mr. Mittal have only included judgment of NCLAT up to October 2019, almost 1 year. And in between this period, settlement judgments have been delivered by NCLAT, which is to be included, particularly in the housing sector, the real estate sector, which is one of our biggest challenges. Lot of case after amendment, whereby all the home buyers have been included in financial creditor. To lot of cases are coming, and tribunal and the chairmanship of my Lord Justice J. Mukhopadhyay, who demitted his office on 15th March 2020. Before he had demitted his office, have given some very good judgments which have been not included, which relates to the home buyers, whereby my Lord Justice Mukhopadhyay, sitting by Bansidhar Bhatt, who is our acting chairperson, I have tried to innovate new tools to give relief to the home buyers by way of reverse insolvency. The matter is before the Supreme Court, but Supreme Court have not given stay, and that have been given relief to genuine home buyers. So these things are that's why I request Mr. Mittal to come with up to date his book at least on the annual basis, because this jurisprudence is growing on case-to-case basis. We don't have a precedence. And only from case-to-case basis, it grows. It's growing by leap and bound. Presently, one of the subject and one of the law which even after working for more than 30 years as an advocate or a judge, I have not dealt with so many provisions, sections of that act. This is Indian Limitation Act. As more and more cases are coming in before the tribunal, NCLT and LAT, because it is proving very effective. It has its positive side as well as negative side. The resolution is very fast, and the threshold was only 1 lakh. Now it has been increased to 1 crore. So the tribunal is flooded with the petitions under section 7 and 9. And as those petitions started coming, and sir is here, Dr. Sahu, he is the person Why is in meeting? I'm just telling you because this law is very dynamic, and the way he have amended it, it's a fast speed. It's a 16 Act, only 4 years, more than 5 amendments have been done. So he's always trying to see that the law does not fall behind and it marches with the time. So lot of cases on limitation. Section 238 was amended, 238A have been incorporated, and thereafter on every section of Limitation Act, lot of cases are there. And either by way of defense or by support of the case. We have to deal with those cases and we have to again read this Limitation Act threshold from section to section. So this is some of my experience of NCLAT working for last 11 months is like that. With these words, as we'll more discuss during our interactive session on the topic, I again thank Mr. Akaant Mittal, Mr. Sumit Malik, and all the persons who are associated in seeing that this book has seen is the light. All I hope that and I bless that this book will become a success and soonly and maybe very soon it will be find place in the chambers of all IBC practitioners. Thank you.